The nonprofit Haven Help Inc. is hosting a school supply drive later on this month, and they need you to help students start off the new school year on the right foot. That is so important. Haven Help's CEO and co-founder Juana Diaz and Vice President Felix Diaz join us this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So glad to have you guys here, and I know that you guys are doing some important work in the community. So first up, for people who are not familiar with the organization, tell me a little bit about how you all serve the community.
Yeah, so good morning. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to have us here. It's a privilege to be on Fox 61 talking about what we do as a foundation and how we help serve the community. We are Haven Help, a nonprofit organization who help the community of Hartford. We're based in Hartford, help the community of Hartford, young children in need, women who've been through domestic violence. We help the elderly. Basically, we know there's a lot of need of help in the community, probably all over the state of Connecticut, but more the north side of Hartford, Connecticut, which is where we're based. So that is the mission that we have, to help the community to live a better life.
Yeah. Really briefly, before we move on to the school supply list, I just want you to talk a little bit more about the people that you serve. Tell me the women in the family the families that you guys do help. What has their reaction been like to having you guys there to help them get by those tough situations?
So far, thank God, it's been a positive impact. They've been able to, the families that we have served, they've been able to find jobs, live a better life, live in a better home, get out of that, that dark, deep side of their life that they've been living.
Yeah.
And it's been, up until now, it's been a blessing for us.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome.
Basically, the people, and try to support the people to training and take it a more opportunity to grow in the town, because they don't give it the opportunity. For example, for domestic violence, they have a lot of people, they don't know where they find the opportunity to finding legal for support of domestic violence. So I'm trying to help that people to find the correct way, and they are learning about the situation, how is they grow it, and how we can get out, for the problem.
Yeah.
Basically that, so this foundation is 4 years ago. So I'm trying to move it out with all people, organization around to us to grow it with us organization, So I'm trying to do it the best for all the community in Hartford.
Yes, wonderful. Okay, now we're focusing on students as kids get ready to go back to school, and you guys are accepting donations of school supplies and backpacks, right?
Correct.
Okay, and that's happening until August 22nd.
August 22nd is the deadline for all donations to be handed in. And the event is being hosted on August 31st.
Okay.
So, please, Hartford, hurry up.
Yes, I'm trying to.
Don't stay out, register
Yes.
your children by the 22nd, and children have to be present on the day of that we hand the backpacks or school supplies.
Yes, so for the donations you guys are taking, it's just basically anything the kids need, right?
Yes.
Like pencils, papers, notebooks,
Glue,
the actual
notebooks,
backpacks.
backpacks,
Yes.
any school supply, yes.
Okay, where can they drop that off?
They drop it up in 260 Capon Street on the telephones and the flyers, or I pick it up at the school supplies, So I make it 2 ways for easy, to support us.
Yeah, call one if they can't make it, to physically come and bring the donations, call the number that's on the flyer, and we could personally go pick it up. Whatever the supplies are, we'll personally go pick it up.
Awesome,
Yeah.
you make it really easy. Now, we do have to head out, but really quickly, want to let the viewers know the actual giveaway happening again on August 31st. Now, registration is required to reserve your backpack, and the children must be present, right?
Exactly.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
Now, how can people keep up with what you guys have going on?
I have in Facebook,
Okay.
Haven Health Inc. So they have all events when they come in. They have information for the visions and the mission too. So all information is in the Facebook, and try to renew the website. So it's not ready yet, but in the Facebook you can reach out everything, all information with the Haven Health Foundation.
Sounds good. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and I
You're
hope
welcome.
you guys
Thank
get
you.
those donations in to make sure all of our babies have what they need
Yes,
before they
please.
go to school.
Everybody, the whole community,
Yeah.
have what they need
Yes.
before the date.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you.
you.